And now it's time for cooking with Chef Tender Brisket. Here's your host, Chef Tender Brisket.
Hello, my name is Tender Brisket, and this is my cooking show. Today, we're gonna make a sandwich. Okay, for the ingredients, we're gonna need bread, mayonnaise, the cheddar cheese, and the ham. Oh fuck, there's no ham. Okay, so here we have the ham. Delicious ham. Okay, so first we put the bread on the plate. Okay, now we smack on the mayonnaise as you were smacking your own lovely wife. You dirty whore! I hate you! I hate you! I hate you! I touch you, I hate you, and I... It really helps if you call the cheese some bad names. You fucking dirty whore! I hate you! You took the kid! Okay, and here we have the ham. Fucking pig. Okay, and now we'll put the bread on top. You like that, don't you? Okay, and now you put it on the stove, and you're done! Yes. Don't these look delicious? Okay, and now we try it. Oh yeah, that's good. Okay, and that's our show. Thank you for watching, and oh god. Oh god, tell you to get out of here. You're not welcome here. What are you doing? Get out. Get out. No, what are you doing? I need that! Come back here! Oh, I'm sorry folks, that's our show! Ah!